Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Sending money through Western Union is usually quick and convenient, but sometimes you may need to cancel a transfer, whether it was sent by mistake, the receiver hasn't picked it up yet, or your plans simply changed. The important thing to understand is that cancellation is only possible under certain conditions, especially if the money hasn't already been collected. Many users panic thinking the transfer can't be stopped, but in reality, Western Union provides a clear way to cancel eligible transactions directly through your account. Acting quickly is key, because once the money is picked up, cancellation is no longer possible. In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to cancel a Western Union money transfer the right way. Try these. Step 1. Open the Western Union app or website and log into your account. Step 2. Go to your transfer history or recent transactions section. Step 3. Select the specific transfer you want to cancel. Step 4. Tap or click on the Cancel Transfer option. Step 5. Confirm the cancellation request as prompted. Step 6. Check for confirmation and refund status in your account.